Hi, Outgrow lets you embed your content on any web page easily. Then let's take a look at the image options that we have in Outgrow. So to do that, we'll have to head to the configure tab here. And then on the left, you'll find the embed on web page option. So we have a lot of embed options for you to choose from. Let's go through all of these options. So the very first option that we have is a full page embed. So with full page embed, your content appears on the entire web page or mobile page without any distractions. Then we have this in-page embed option available, which will make your embeds appear inside a container on your web page without affecting any other elements on a website. The third option is the pop-up embed. So with the pop-up embed, your content would appear as a pop-up, and you can easily customize the look and feel of the pop-up, how the pop-up appears, and you can also customize some trigger settings using which you can make this exit intent pop-up or scroll pop-up. The next option is the chat embed, which will make your content look like a chat notification like this. Again, you can customize everything. The third option is the greet bar here, which lets you put a bar in your web page. And users can click the button to launch the content. Similarly, we have the floating rectangle embed type. It works the same way. The side note would look something like this, where it says feedback. So users can click the button and they can launch the content. And finally, we have the custom embed. So with custom embed, your outro content will be put in an iframe of a specific height and width based on your requirements. And we also have a seamless mode here, which makes your content look even better. As it blends into your website, this mode is also recommended if you want to add UTM parameters in the embed. And finally, if you're using Facebook Instant Articles or A&P technology for your publication, you can use these optimized embed codes. Now, all of these embed codes work the same way. Just choose the right embed code according to your requirements. And then you have to copy this HTML code and put it on a website. So this is really how you can embed Outgrow content on any web page. Please let us know if you have any questions. Sign up for a free 7-day Outgrow trial today. Thank you.